Time to end it off. Biggest thing ever on this channel is about to finish. This is the Marbolympics finale, event 12. That's the marble circuit. We'll be going down this circuit over a series of laps. Pretty much self-explanatory. Let's get into the example run just so we can get a more in-depth look. Okay, your example run. Example marbles, last time racing on a course. You can see they'll be going through a couple bank turns as well. There they are. Okay, if you're going to go for that split there, there's multiple splits in this course. That staircase area, it's another area that should be mentioned. And then there's the big half pipe part, obviously referencing the second event of the Marbolympics, the half pipe. There's the elevator, which will activate when this race actually begins. Badlands Chugs is currently in the lead and probably can win the Marbolympics. Only 7 marbles are even eligible to even win the Marbolympics. But there's actually a freeway tie for second place, so any of those free you see. Joe Biden there in 5th. Also, 11th through 16th can't even podium on the placements. I don't even know what I said there. But, yeah, you can see that there. Let's end the Marbolympics. Starting roster. Reverse standings order. Last place is the first one on board. For the final time, the race has begun. Hamlet is going to take the lead into the first sector. There's Among Us over in second place. And Mike Wazowski somehow is shot up into the lead. Mike Wazowski can win the Marbolympics, but it'd be good if he won this event. Mike Wazowski going to take the lead. There goes Cookie and Toad. 2 marbles who start in the back of the pack and can even win the Marbolympics. There's also SpongeBob up in second place. Mike Wazowski is going to take the lead going into the first elevator. Toad is going to shoot to second place. That placement will probably win him the Marbolympics. A second place could definitely get him the top spot. Mike Wazowski still in the lead. There's Hamlet shooting up into second place, and Cookie now in third. Toad's now going to shoot up also to third. Really have Cookie and... I think we're really going to be focusing about Toad and Cookie in this event, because we're really caring about the championship, not really the event. Hamlet is going to be in the lead. Hamlet has only gotten 1 medal so far in the Marbolympics. Toad and Mike Wazowski there fighting. There's Cookie also as well, over there in 5th. Toad, though, if he stays in this position throughout the whole race, Toad can win the Marbolympics, but I don't know if that's going to happen, because there is Cookie up there. No, Cookie's going to slow down. There's Toad up in what looks to be second place, actually. It's second place. I thought it was the lead. There's also SpongeBob in third. Thing is, SpongeBob has to win this event if he wants to win the Marbolympics. Toad is going to slow down. Cookie's off screen. Oh, down to 9th, actually. Who's that shooting up at? I think that's SpongeBob still. We're going to have Elmo also in 4th place as we finish off this lap. Balance Chugs is way down there in 15th. That's probably why he started in the last in pole. Oh, Mike was out. No, not Mike Wazowski. Toad is going to insanely slow down, putting him and Cookie also in a little battle there. Those two really fighting off. Anyways, Hamlet still in the lead and also his fastest lap. That will not give anyone an extra point. But Hamlet does have also fastest lap, just to note. Toad is currently beating Cookie and could definitely win the Marbolympics. Unless Balance Chug shoots up, it's probably going to be one of those two winning the Marbolympics. Look at that big 4 line there we saw. Oh, Cookie! Look at Cookie. Cookie's speeding up and very, very close to Toad. Neck and neck. Homer Simpson there in the middle. Anyways, SpongeBob actually has taken the lead, and Among Us, as well, is in second. Among Us, best position ever in the Marbolympics was 4th, back in the Funnel Rally. For any of the Dragon Star, I haven't seen him in a while. There's the top 2 there, Among Us and Hamlet. We have SpongeBob also speeding up and taking the lead. Cookie, where did Toad? No, Toad's actually in 5th. I just didn't see him. But Cookie is going to speed up here in lap 6, about halfway through the race. SpongeBob's still going to take the lead. And there's Elmo up in second place. Elmo, his best position, I think, was 5th ever. Also, look at Cookie up in 6th place, right neck and neck to Toad. Cookie's going to get the win going in the elevator, but anything can happen out of the elevator. Here's the statistics. Yes, Elmo has actually gotten 4th place in event. Elmo got 4th place in the curling event. That was a bit of a while ago. And look at Cookie. Cookie has shot up to the lead. That win could definitely get Cookie the overall champion in the Marbolympics. Poe is actually up to 3rd place. Poe hasn't really been heard of in a while, because Poe has been pretty much silent since event 7. Poe, look at Poe going off the half pipe. That's a quick one. Among Us there. Toad. No, Cookie's actually in a unanimous lead. I forgot. SpongeBob in 2nd place. Again, can win the Marbolympics, but he has to get gold. And Battlelands and everyone else has to get an insanely low score. That is in his reach. So pretty much it's impossible for SpongeBob to win the Marbolympics. But SpongeBob is down there in 4th place. There's Toad. Oh, he's back in 9th. I don't know what happened to him. Cookie, again, still in the lead. There's Poe still in 2nd place. Also, mathematics. And look at Battlelands Chugs. I didn't realize this. Battlelands Chugs is in 5th. What I was saying is, I think he's won the Marbolympics, actually, now that he's in 5th. If Battlelands Chugs gets a medal in this event, he is guaranteed the win in the Marbolympics. No math to be done. And there's Battlelands Chugs in 2nd place. Oh my gosh. This is insane. It's going to be coming down neck and neck. There's him and SpongeBob up there fighting. But Cookie still takes the lead. Battlelands Chugs, if he gets that silver, again, guaranteed the win in the Marbolympics overall. Cookie still in the lead on the 10th lap. We only have 3 laps to go. Battlelands Chugs still in 2nd. There's Among Us in 3rd and now shooting up to 2nd. Battlelands Chugs. And now Among Us is going even quicker and is now in the lead. Elmo is up there in 4th. SpongeBob down there in 5th. Peter Griffin, who can win the Marbolympics, but probably can't because he's currently in 15th. In this race. Everyone's going to the elevator as we start lap 11. Among Us currently in the lead. Battlelands Chugs, again, if he keeps that top 3 position, that's probably Marbolympics glory. And Cookie has just insanely slowed down, putting Cookie down to 5th. Among Us still in the lead. SpongeBob down there in 2nd. Battlelands Chugs in 3rd. Toad is actually, we haven't talked about him in a while. He's down in 9th, now 10th. Shuffling around in there. Battlelands Chugs in 3rd. Still. Among Us and SpongeBob. Oh, SpongeBob has taken the lead. SpongeBob has taken the lead so far. There's Among Us up there in 2nd place. Okay, SpongeBob in the lead. Going into the final lap. Among Us in a very far away 2nd place. Battlelands Chugs in 3rd. That medal, again, guarantees him the win. And we are now in the final lap, everyone. Chaos could happen. Okay. Look at Homer Simpson there. Well, Homer Simpson is actually shooting up positions. Among Us has insanely slowed down. There's Elmo up in 2nd place as well. Elmo has fallen off the course, and I'm hearing that also Roblox Noob has sadly fallen off the course. Very tragic there. Homer Simpson and Battlelands Chugs in those next 2 positions now. Cookie up in 4th. There's Toad. Toad is shot up to 5th now. Peppa Pig is shot up. We're going in the elevator. It's SpongeBob who's going to take the win in this event. Homer Simpson is going to take 2nd, surprisingly. And Battlelands Chugs with that 3rd is your guaranteed Marbolympics champion. Is everyone else finishing there? Look at Hamlet. He was in the lead at one point and shot down to 13th. For Peter Griffin, we have 14th. Elmo and Roblox Noob DNF'd. So they will, you see them there, they will get their points 1 and 0. It's not really that much, based off of when they DNF'd. And there is the podium. SpongeBob, Homer Simpson, and Badlands Chuck. SpongeBob, a second gold, but he has not gotten even a silver or bronze. Now, it's time for the closing ceremony. To be honest, thank you everyone for your support on this series. This has been a great month for me in my life, and I really want to thank you all. Well, without further ado, it's time to begin the closing ceremony. Here we go, across the court. In 16th place with 67 points, Hamlet. Move on, please. 15th place with 69 points, Among Us. 14th place with 74 points, Elmo. 13th place with 77 points, Roblox Noob. 12th place with 87 points, me, aka Jack. 11th place with 92 points, Poe. 10th place with 96 points, Scratch Cat. 9th place with 100 points, Peppa Pig. 8th place with also 100 points but more medals, Mike Wazowski. Or a better medal count, Mike Wazowski. 7th place with 103 points, Joe Biden. 6th place was 103 points, Homer Simpson, better medals. 5th place, Peter Griffin, 108 points. 4th place, SpongeBob, 115 points. And now with the podium. 3rd place, the Marbolympics, with 16 points, is Toad. 2nd place, with 118 points, Cookie. And your winner of the Marbolympics, with 128 points. He was a winner from Event 7, Badlands Chugs. Let's see. There is the full statistics. Every event score. As you can see. Well, this has been, again, an absurd month for me. And I hope y'all loved this series of the Marbolympics. I will see you sometime soon, hopefully. Goodbye, guys.